approaching is the service from Teignmouth to Paignton. I think so. 2-tone, 152.47 of Paignton. Now approaching is 220.009 from Paignton to Manchester Piccadilly, ex cross country service. Who bets that football was kicked down here back in 2013? If he goes. And a lovely tone to do it off with. Paignton to Manchester Piccadilly to 220.009. Here now comes, I imagine, the Teignmouth to Paignton 11:05 service. I do not know where 220, 017, 220, 002 are. That is 152.49 though. And oh my word, 152.21 did half. They got messed up and joined them together for something. Found the timetable out. When is anyways, we've got this one. Going to Railway 2 car. Off this goes, 149. Race from Railway 2 car to Exmouth, Lately. Off that one goes. Was 800 through on through from Penzance to London Panton Great Western Railway 9 car. From Penzance to London. I don't know which one this is. It must be like a severely delayed one. Oh, it is going past it. Don't know where it's from though.
That's a beautiful view looking along there.
Yep. Right, off he goes. Now coming is 220, 017, 220, 002. Service from Leeds Plymouth. Is that like, I think it was a 9 car. comes is 800 002. Thank you. Western Railway. Express Road goes from Plymouth to Cardiff Central. 5-car. Gave it a singular tone as well.
He does it.
Yeah. This will be for 221. This will be for 221, 123. Penzance to Edinburgh service. Express country. Oh, wow. Express country service. 5-car. Now approaching is 800 030 from Cardiff Central to Plymouth. Great Western Railway service. Five car.